Hello all, welcome to the day 62 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. If the derivative of a function is given and we have to find its primitive, that is the original function, then we have to follow an inverse process of finding the differentiation. This process of finding the primitive is called the anti-differentiation or integration. Suppose we have a function f of x. If we differentiate this, we get f dash of x. If the f dash of x is integrated, we get f of x. This is what this passage is saying. That is, d by dx of f of x plus c is equal to f of x. Implies that integral f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. Hence, the primitive, that is the antiderivative of f of x, is capital F of x plus c. Based on the passage given above, answer the following. Question 1. Determine the primitive of this function. That is, we have to do the integration of this and get the f of x. Integral x times 1 plus x power 2024 dx. Let's use the substitution method, taking t as 1 plus x. Differentiating this with respect to x, dt by dx is 1. That is, dt is equal to dx. From t equal to 1 plus x, let's get what is x. X is equal to t minus 1. Integral, now x in terms of t is t minus 1, t power 2024, which is equal to t power 2025 dx minus integral t power 2024 dx. On integrating, we get t power 2026 by 2026 minus t power 2025 by 2025 plus c. Substituting 1 plus x in the place of t, we get 1 plus x to the power 2026 upon 2026 minus 1 plus x to the power 2025 upon 2025 plus c. Question 2. Find the antiderivative of root e power x plus 1. So here also we have to integrate the given expression to get the primitive. Let's take t square as e power x plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 2t dt by dx is equal to e power x. From here we get dx as 2t dt by e power x. Going back to our assumption, e power x is equal to t square minus 1. So rewriting the expression, we get root t square into 2t dt by e power x, which is t square minus 1. This gives square root of t square is t times 2t upon t square minus 1 dt. 2 can be taken out, then integral t square by t square minus 1 dt. Adding and subtracting 1 to the numerator, we get t square minus 1 plus 1 by t square minus 1 dt, which is 2 times t square minus 1 by t square minus 1 dt plus 1 upon t square minus 1 dt, which is 2 times integral 1 dt plus integral 1 upon t square minus 1 dt, which is 2 times integral 1 dt gives t, plus integral 1 by t square minus 1 is 1 by 2 times log t minus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. Multiplying the bracket with 2, it becomes 2t plus log t minus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. Substituting for t, we get 2 root e power x plus 1 plus log root e power x plus 1 minus 1 by root e power x plus 1 plus 1 plus c. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.